All right. Good morning, everyone. So there's two big events today. There's the car show here at Lusso Motorsports, which I'm at right now, and they have lots of exotics and Porsches and Lamborghinis here. And then there's a rally to Boca Raton, and they're having another big car show, Cars Couture, and they're having a big car show, and that's going to be more exotics and more tuning cars and more sports cars. So join me today. We're going to check this out. I think we're going to have a lunch rally too. And it's going to be a lot of fun, so let's see what's here. So here's my friend Andre.
Morning.
And he's going to show me something that's, he says is fucking hilarious.
Basically, somebody had it on their car, and I thought it was hilarious.
Right.
So I said it can't stay because it's not a real Super. So I decided to put it on my car just for fun. It doesn't have to stay forever, it's just for fun. So.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
There's a Superleggera sticker. I mean, technically, it's Superleggera is Italian for super light.
Yeah, it's lighter than
so this is lighter than a real Lamborghini. Look at this thing. On a Ford Fiesta ST. That's comedy right there. That's just comedy. Oh man. What else is going on? You have any changes done to this thing yet?
No, not really. Just try to keep it clean. That's about it.
Okay.
You know, I parked in the back here and did a quick triple play on it. You know, a little shout out. But
Chadwick's triple play.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Thank you for the plug.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
I try.
It's easy. You know, it's easy. It's quick. Whatever.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I think it's hilarious. You know, I said, you know what, I'm going to drive this thing up there and people are going to look at me like, look at this toolbox. He has no idea what he's doing.
I mean, that's the most important part, right? Like, if you're not having fun, then what's the point?
Yeah. Yeah, really. You know, it's like I know that I'm not on the same level as people that own those. But, you know, they are nice enough to allow certain of us to slip into these events. Yeah. So I'm hanging out in the back, obviously. But
I think the placement was wrong. You should have had it on the back door.
Yeah, I thought about that. But it took like 5 minutes.
Yeah, fuck it.
I just yanked it off and I was like, screw it, it's going over here.
Rock and roll.
And then I was like, yeah, should I put it on that side and then it'll be towards the front? And I said, screw it, just let it follow the body line.
There you go. I mean, it works.
Yeah.
It doesn't look bad. All right, so we're gonna check out some more cars. Let's see what's here. Let me adjust this. It's really bright today.
Yeah.
It's really bright. Sun's out. So, is that an El Camino? Hold on a second. This looks like an El Camino, but I haven't seen an El Camino that looks like with this front end. Yeah, it's got the truck. Look at that. Pretty clean bed. It's a shame they don't make cars like this anymore.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I agree.
Oh, it is off. Yeah, see it right there. This must be like a later model or something. I've seen a Ford Ranchero. I've seen more El Caminos than I've seen Ford Rancheros, though.
Yeah, I don't know why that is, but it seems like...
I think maybe the El Camino was just more popular.
I don't know. We're gonna have to Google it and find out why that is, because you know the Ranchero is pretty cool too. You know, same type of thing, but why is it not getting the press? Is it that they made less of them? I don't know. All right, somebody Google it.
Yeah, Google it and tell us in the comments. See, we've got a Stingray. See, you got a Chevelle. I love the Chevelle. Looks like it's kind of ending here, and these are all just regular cars that are not part of the show. This is a cool color. This color is called Guard.
Yeah, is this the same one as the Bullet?
No, this isn't the Bullet. The Bullet has a slightly darker green.
Is it?
Color. This color is called Guard.
Nice. I like it. Yeah, I'm kind of partial though. You know why and all.
Yeah. And it's convertible, 5.0. Got the 20-inch wheels. These wheels are optional, I think.
Yeah. These are really nice. I like these. Yeah. In this instance, you know, no need to change them really. They came out with a nice set, nice pack.
Yeah. Let's see what else is out here.
And these are really, you know, a lot of people. Hey, buddy, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Good to see you. A long time no see.
Yeah, man. This is my friend William. He's a real estate broker in Palm Beach. So he's the king of Palm Beach. If you need real estate, just go to this guy. Thank you. You like the Golf R?
Yeah, that's nice. That would definitely be on my list. It's awesome.
Oh yeah, these are a lot of fun. Again, you can mod these to like 500 horsepower with an aftermarket turbo and stage 3 from APR. It's got Racemaster slicks. It's got damn, look at this. Yeah, it's got a carbon fiber intake.
Wow, look at that. So they're making use of all this. That's really cool. Wow, look at the size of that.
It's a big intake right there. Braille battery.
Look at the little baby battery.
Little baby battery.
That's awesome.
Hey man, when you gotta go fast, you gotta go fast, right?
Oh wow, look at that.
Real nice.
He's doing more than just having fun. Look at this. Little catch can there.
Real nice, real nice. Look at these fittings. These almost, you know what? I'm not sure, but these look like my fittings.
They very well could be, eh?
Yeah. Very nice. Runs all the way back there. It's a PCV system for the catch can. Very cool setup, very cool setup. Oh, it's got an aftermarket manifold. This has to be making more than 500 horsepower because with a APR Stage 3 kit, which is just an aftermarket turbo, you can make 500. So this must be making 600, 700. This is probably from like USP or something.
I wonder who did the wrap.
I don't know. It's very well done.
That's what I'm saying.
You know?
Like, you know, there's some,
when you've got a good wrap, you won't be able to tell if it's wrapped.
well, that's what I mean. I was staring and staring and staring. And
Like it should look painted. There you go. It looks like the car's originally black or something, maybe?
No, it's blue.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice interior. Oh, look, hey, even better. Look at this. Alpina B7.
There you go.
These are hard to get.
What is that?
I don't know. Oh, he's got an aftermarket exhaust. I like
What
this.
do we have here?
So he's got some kind of dual can system. So I like having the mirror there because then you can see the exhaust system. All right, so we're gonna head into the shop. Oh, they've got a dyno now? Holy crap. Wait, no, it's not a dyno. That's just a lift. All right, we're out here in the shop. Let's see what they've got. Looks like they're doing a frame-off restoration or something. I don't know what this is. Let's check this out. So they got the body up there, and the frame is down here. That's what they say. Call it body on frame. I don't know what this is though. It could be like maybe a Chevelle or something. I don't know. There's a white M4. There's I guess they're doing another one. It's a Camaro SS. I think they're doing like a twin turbo kit on this truck, the Silverado. I mean, holy crap! Look at that. I think these come with like 5.3s, so this must be, or it could be the 6.2. Is that an old Land Cruiser here? An old Land Cruiser. And I think they have an all-wheel drive dyno, but I'm not sure if they have it here. There's a Miata. There you go. And holy crap, look at this. This thing is huge. Let me flip the camera around. This is nuts. So I see two twin air-to-air intercoolers going up to these two big turbos. There's like a 60 millimeter tile wastegate. Or is that a 40? No, that's a 44 millimeter, I think. Look at this. This has to be going to like a drag car or something. These huge manifolds that come up. Oh, this is just beautiful, all polished. Wait a second. How many? Look at this. Hey, Andrew, how much do you think this car's making? This engine's gonna make?
I don't know. 3,000 horsepower, I don't know.
3,000 horsepower?
I'm trying to see who makes the intake manifold.
It could be a custom sheet metal.
Yeah, but there's still, you know, there's people that make them. I'm just trying to see. Because I know Wilson Manifolds, they make some really nice custom
look, it says
stuff.
for sale. So that's on the engine. So it's got a forged nodular crank, diamond pistons, eagle rods,
Oh, wow.
comp cams, 10.5 to 1 compression, Holley Sniper EFI system. Oh, real nice. Full manual valve body. There you go.
And you know what's hilarious?
What's that?
I don't have my glasses on. I got my sunglasses. They're prescription, but it's really hard to see right now. But the top of basically the entire, it looks like the plenum, the whole intake manifold, the upper part is custom, but the lower part where the runners are, it's like it's a cast piece. So they welded it together.
That could be the case. Yeah, they could have used like a standard cast lower and then used a welded upper.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. See, I don't know a whole lot about
You know a little bit.
older or different. This,
I mean, I would have just bought like
little,
a fast manifold or something. Send it.
Yeah. I think Wilson has to do with those guys too. But I don't know. I like 4-bangers, little fun things, and of course, V10s and 12s and stuff like that. But this is really cool.
All right, let's see what else we got out here. Got Porsche, Mercedes. So here's Mark's Boxster. There you go, Tech Art Boxster. I got a red Lotus. Let's see, turbo Porsche, I think. Over here, yellow Alpha 4C. A couple of nice cars. Decent turnout. It's gonna be really fun on the lunch run though, because we got all these exotics. So we're gonna go on a lunch run pretty soon, probably in like an hour or two, to Boca Raton for lunch, and then there's gonna be another car show at the lunch running. So I think this is a Continental Speed convertible back there. Purple Lamborghini. Purple Gallardo, look at that. I think it's wrapped, but actually no, this is a factory color. I think that's Viola Paris Fay, same color as Dr. M3's Performante, I think. I'm pretty sure. We got this crazy, I don't even know how much power this thing is making. Nitrous injected Huracan. This thing must be nuts. And 458 and rear-wheel drive Huracan. So let's take a closer look at this car. Look at this. Carbon fiber bottle. Let's see, N2O, nitrousoutlet.com setup. So, 20-pound bottle, feeding it all the way back here. And inject the nitrous up here. You can see the nitrous solenoids painted green, those little cylinders. And even the cross brace is painted green. I dig it. It's got a custom intake. Hey, maybe he'll go turbo one day. That'll be fun. All right, so now I'm inside the dealership, and let's see what they've got. So before we were just outside checking out the show, and now I am in the frame. So we got, let's see, 599, okay. It's good. Viper, second gen, I think, E30 M3. This thing is just beautiful. Black Murcielago, right there. And here's the best part. Here's the best part of this whole show. They have donuts and coffee galore. So there you go. This is where I'm at. So this is where you want to be. You got maple donuts. You got Heath Bar donuts. All kinds of good stuff. So let's take a closer look at these cars. You got the original Viper. Well, no, not the original Viper, dummy. This is the current generation. I think the 4th generation Viper. 640 horsepower. I've driven one of these. It's a beast. Let's see. We got Black Mambo, Murcielago. Beautiful, dark gray E30 M3. Blue Viper. I believe this is, I don't know what it is. I think it's 2nd gen, 1st gen, something or the other. I'll figure it out later. 599. Look at this. The interior is just beautiful. It's got these racing seats, racing style seats. Very nice. Got these huge buttresses back here, channeling and funneling air. And over here, the simple but awesome 430 Spider. That 430 Spider. From the seats. There you go. Oh, very cool. All right, so the donuts were all provided from Jupiter Donuts, and the donuts are awesome. So if you're ever in Jupiter, check them out. But see, I can never own a donut business. I can never own a donut shop because I just be eating them all, And it's like Biggie said, never get high on your own supply. Remember that. All right, guys, the event's winding down. Everybody's going to be lining up pretty soon to go to the car show over in Boca. We're going to go to a rally together, and I think we'll have lunch over there. I'm a little bright. So I'm going to hop in the Mustang and head on out. Let's go. All right, so we were going to go on the rally, and a fellow Mustang was in need of a jump, so you got a Mustang jumping a Mustang. There you go. Hey, this is Bill. There you go. All right, give it a start. Let's go. Mustang and Mustang. There you go. Keep it going. Yeah. There you go. Had to give it a couple cranks. All right, let's pull the cables off. Let's get going.